In an important update, the Allahabad High Court expressed serious concern over the harmful effects of television, internet, and social media on adolescents, noting that these mediums are leading to a loss of innocence at an early age, and that even the government cannot control their influence due to the uncontrollable nature of the technologies involved. A bench of Justice Siddharth made these observations while allowing a criminal revision filed by a juvenile, challenging an order of the Juvenile Justice Board as well as the POCSO Court of Kaushambi that he be tried as an adult in an alleged case of consensual physical relationship with a minor girl. The court relied on a psychological assessment report which revealed the boy's IQ to be 66, placing him in the borderline category of intellectual functioning and assessed his mental age to be around 6 years. It also highlighted his poor academic and social functioning. The court noted that at the time of the incident, the boy was about 14 years old and not solely responsible for administering abortion medicine to the girl, as two others were also involved. The bench stressed that under Section 15 of the Juvenile Justice Act, the board must conduct a proper preliminary assessment based on four parameters: mental capacity, physical capacity to commit the heinous offense, ability to understand consequences of the offense, and circumstances of the offense. The court found procedural lapses, including the failure to provide key documents to the juvenile or his guardians. Criticizing the lower courts for ignoring the psychologist's report due to the nature of the offense, the court stressed that not all heinous offenses justify adult trial, citing the Nirbhaya case as an exception. Please leave your thoughts on this case below in the comment section, and for more such legal updates, stay tuned to Live Law.